On any given day, 87,000 flight operations take place throughout the U.S. airspace. The FAA ensures each of these operations is carried out in the safest and most efficient way possible. We do this by deploying systems, equipment, and facilities numbering in the tens of thousands, including 21 en route centers, 2 combined centers approach control facilities, more than 500 towers and TRACONs, and some 15,000 communication, navigation, radar, and surveillance sites. And the one organization leading the design, construction, and systems installation of these operational facilities across the nation is the FAA's own engineering services. From the smallest, most remote facilities, sometimes located atop rugged mountains or on islands and in marshes, to complex systems at the busiest airports in the world, engineering services more than 1,500 employees apply their broad range of skills and talent to ensure projects are expertly designed, constructed, and installed.
We choose to use engineering services because they know and understand the NAS, its impact on the flying public while the project is going on and afterwards. They know how to make it more maintainable afterwards, and they know the impact on air traffic.
In design, ES engineers work as a team, staying focused on integration of project scope, timelines, and budget. Whether it's civil engineers doing site surveys at an airport or electronics engineers using modern tools to visualize console and equipment layouts, design is about bringing the right disciplines together to get the best possible results.
Usability, maintainability, consistency, and above all, safety. This is what drives everything we do and how we approach engineering design.
FAA construction is handled by resident engineers in the field at hundreds of FAA facilities every day. Projects take place both on and off airports and sometimes involve integrating complex schedules with a vast array of airport development activities. The experience and FAA knowledge these engineers bring to the job ensures a quality construction project. An example of this is a major project at Tucson International Airport.
Because engineering services project teams are part of the FAA, they have a deeper understanding of live NAS operations. They manage construction with a keen sense of its impact on operations.
Beyond the regular construction projects, facility maintenance personnel, or FMP crews, add another dimension to overall ES capabilities. FMP can be called upon to operate heavy construction equipment on short notice, which is extremely important when responding quickly to emergencies or restoration of services. During installation, engineers and technicians prepare facilities for new equipment and then safely complete installations without impact to operations. The goal is always to make the transition, whether a large system replacement or a small electronic component, transparent to the flying public. That happens with knowledge of the facility and great teamwork with the key players.
Now, the outside entities that came in were very surprised at how well it went, how smooth it went. We got praises from the program office towards ourselves and towards engineering services, and how you would have swore this was a team that had been together for years. All parties involved, ourselves, NACA National Rep, and definitely engineering services, all worked together as a team to make sure everything was done with minimal to no impact to the operation.
Program offices value the experience FAA installation brings to the project implementation.
The TAMR program is modernizing air traffic control systems at over 450 towers and TRACONs across the NAS. We've chosen to partner with engineering services because of their unparalleled understanding of the sensitivity of modernizing the NAS while operating it. Understanding the nature of the FAA's business is central to the value of engineering services. They understand that the NAS has to be protected while it's being modernized.
Engineering services plays a huge part in integrating services with the NAS. They have an understanding of air traffic because they've worked with us for years. They have an understanding of our tech ops folks, and they have an understanding of how that all fits together, and I wouldn't trust anyone else.
It is this understanding of the FAA at our core that makes engineering services the first choice to design, construct, and install, with the safety of the NAS at the forefront of everything we do.